Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. A new trading week is starting and the crypto market remains interesting. Today we want to take a look at the Solana chart. Let's go. Okay, we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. We are going to navigate to the cryptocurrency section where we are sharing our Solana analysis. If you're interested in updates like these, feel free to register on our website. You can do that completely for free and then you get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates. You can find the link in the description. Now let's take a look at the Solana chart. I want to start with the long-term chart because it gives us a good overview of where things might be going long-term. It's very much aligned actually with the Bitcoin chart. On the long-term chart, we see Solana in a 1-2-1-2 structure where we are about to start that wave 2 correction on the long-term chart. But in the short term, we should see the price go a little bit higher in this cycle, in this blue wave 1. The $267 level needs to be broken. That is the previous all-time high. And this also acts as short-term resistance on the smaller time frame. But overall, we are already looking at a 5-wave move up here, which is nearly complete. What we think, however, is that this wave 2 correction, which should follow afterwards, could be a decent opportunity to maybe look for a position long term. You can see that long term, the roadmap, is showing like $800 plus. It is impossible to define a target for really the long term. We would need the wave 1 completed and the wave 2 completed to provide targets for this third wave rally. The third wave is typically the most aggressive rally in a cycle. So that's going to be interesting. So now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here you can see that around $109, that was in August, a wave 4 bottomed, and the expectations are that we're now in this wave 5 to the upside. Should be nearly done with it. We have completed waves 1, 2, 3. We are probably now in an internal wave 4 pullback. That's very much in line with what Bitcoin is doing. And then there could be one more final move up, and it takes a break above that 264 level. 264, 267. We talked about that just now on the larger time frame. And it's important that we also stay above those previous lows now to keep the upside momentum alive. It is very much possible that this wave 4 stretches out a little bit further. But overall, we see this currently as a pullback in an overall uptrend. But the idea is that we're in the very late stages, that we are in the very late stages of a long-term uptrend. That uptrend that started in 2022. I think it was end of 2022, early 2023, when Solana really started that aggressive move up, which we see as blue wave 1. And we kind of want to leave it open, if this move up is really the end of the larger rally, or do we get any further direct upside extensions? We will have to see. Certainly there's no reason to fight this trend. The trend is still up, and a move above the all-time high here around 264, 267 should lead to further upside, possibly even into the $300 region. But in the very short term, we are in a correction. Clearly, some kind of a correction is unfolding here, which might stretch out a little bit further, but soon we should begin, possibly this week. Next week, we should begin the next move here to the upside to then possibly enter the last large rally in this cycle, which is also very much in line with what we see for the Bitcoin chart. What we don't want to do is to call a top before we have evidence, because these rallies can always extend higher than you would normally think is reasonable. But exactly that is part of normally an altcoin rally, that these extensions can happen. So please prepare for that. But once we see evidence for a top, we will mention that here on YouTube, but also on our website. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you register on our website. As I said, it's completely for free and you can find the link in the description. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.